Today I am here at FERME at GABY, and we are here to learn about making traditional Swiss cheese. First, the milk is heated and mixed in a large pot using a traditional wood fire. The cheesemaker checks to see if the cheese is ready by feeling the texture. Some cheese is poured into special buckets and wild garlic is added. The buckets also allow excess liquid to seep out. The majority of the cheese is lifted out of the pot using a net and is left to settle for 20 minutes. The cheesemaker then cuts up the cheese into big chunks and lifts them into small buckets. Weights are then added to each bucket to compress the wheels of cheese. This is the room where they age the cheese. The cheese must age for a minimum of 3 months. This traditional cheese factory makes over 15,000 kilos of cow's cheese and 3,000 kilos of goat's cheese. Right, let's see if I can do a goat selfie. Hey, goatie! One of the things that makes the FERME de GABY so special is its stunning location here in the Swiss mountains.